Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss genetic algorithm. Generally, we use algorithm to find some solution. We have some input, we perform some processing on it, and we get some output. Okay. But in case of genetic algorithm, we are not using genetic algorithm to find some solution, but we are using genetic algorithm as a search-based optimization technique. And it uses principles of genetics and natural selection. It is used to find optimal or near optimal solution to difficult problems. That is, generally we have some set of solutions. And we have to find the best solution, or we can say optimal solution from the available solutions. That's why we call it as a search-based optimization technique. Now we will discuss some basic concepts in genetic algorithm. In genetic algorithm, we have a pool or a population of possible solutions to the given problem. That is, we have some number of solutions to the problem, and these solutions then undergo recombination and mutation, producing new children, and the process is repeated over various generations. The concept of genetics is used to generate new offsprings or new generations. The same concept is used here. Now we will discuss what is meant by phenotype and what is meant by genotype. So phenotype is nothing but a raw solution, or we can say a raw material, which is then encoded to form a genotype. And genotype is a kind of representation or proper representation of the information. This process will be continued throughout the process of genetic algorithm application to find out the best solution. Now we will discuss the flowchart of genetic algorithm. Okay, so this is a flowchart of genetic algorithm. First of all, we have some initial population. Now, what is population here? Population is nothing but number of solutions. That I already told you. What we have some solutions to a particular problem, but we want the best solution from this one. So this is called as a population. The set of solutions is called as a population. After that, calculate the fitness. Fitness is nothing but a value which decides how optimal the solution is or how good the solution is. After that, the two steps are there, that is crossover and mutation, that we are discussing in the coming videos in detail. And then this process is repeated, you can see here, until the stopping criteria is met. This stopping criteria is nothing but a convergence, and this convergence is reached when we get the highest or optimal fitness value. And if there is if we are not satisfied with the output, or if we think that the convergence is not met or the stopping criteria is not reached, then we will repeat the process. Again, we will calculate the fitness value for the selected chromosome, or we can say selected solution. Then again we perform selection, then crossover, mutation, and this process will be repeated until we get the optimal solution. Whenever we will get the optimal solution, we will stop the process. So this is a basic idea behind the flowchart of genetic algorithm, or we can say this is a basic idea behind genetic algorithm. The important thing here is the fitness value. Each individual or candidate solution is assigned a fitness value based on its objective function value, and the fitter individuals are given higher chance to mate and yield more fitter individual. This is in line with the Darwinian theory of survival of the fittest. Means whatever solution we are getting, that solution we should be bestest. In human reproduction, parents pass on their best features or genes to the offsprings, and this process is continued. The same thing is continued in this genetic algorithm also. the selected solutions are undergo crossover and mutation steps to get the to give more appropriate solution or to give more optimal solution, and this process is repeated, still we get the stopping criteria or convergence. So this is the basic idea behind genetic algorithm. That's all for this video. In this video we discuss basic concept of genetic algorithm and flowchart of genetic algorithm. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel to see more videos on this topic.